What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today I have a great recipe for you guys. I am going to be making a very delicious bourbon glazed barbecue salmon, and we are going to bake it under the oven. If you're interested, please keep watching. Cooking made easy. Before we start with our video, my name is Claude Mott and I am the owner and founder of Bourbon Seasoning. Bourbon Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, organic hot pepper sauce, and so much more. If you're interested in trying our product, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. And guys, in this channel, I not only post quick and easy recipe, I also post video behind the scene of how I run my business, especially how I package and ship my organic seasoning orders to my customers. If that is something that you are interested in, since I also share a lot of small business tips, please consider subscribing. Alright, let's start with the recipe. This is our salmon, guys. Before we get started, I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces. I already cleaned the salmon, I already took the skin off. Just want to cut it. And guys, this is the organic barbecue marinade that we are using for this recipe. This is an all-in-one organic bourbon barbecue marinade. I love this marinade. It has a little bit of kick to it, but the smoky flavor from the bourbon, it is perfect. And it is an all-in-one. So when you are using it, you don't need to add any extra salt or nothing else. Okay, now we are going to marinate the salmon. Before that, I'm going to coat it with some oil. Now we are going to marinate, and we are going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. I already have my oven being preheated at 400 degrees. I also have an oven baked barbecue chicken recipe coming up. So if you're interested in seeing that, please remember to subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new recipe. Okay, now that the salmon is fully coated in the marinade, this is what it looks like. Now we are going to put it on a baking tray and put it under the oven. I'm just going to add a little bit of more oil. I'm not using gloves this time. My hands are clean already. So we're just going to place them. And whatever seasoning is left in the plate that I was using, I'm just going to put it on top of the salmon. I am using my hand for this, but guys, my hand's clean, I promise. And this little piece was the side from the salmon. It's just they get burned very fast and I didn't want them in the salmon, so I simply cut it out. This is a salmon. So now we are going to put it under the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees until it gets very flaky. And guys, before I start with the cooking process, I forgot to tell you guys, our organic bourbon barbecue seasoning marinade. We use the same formula that we make our organic meat seasoning to make our barbecue marinade. It is an all-in-one. Yes, it is safe for people who are vegan or vegetarian as well, because I've used this with tofu, and it is also low in sodium. Even though it's low in sodium, it has a lot of other ingredients in their vegetable that carry salt. So when you are using this organic seasoning, please make sure you minimize your salt intake. I'm not a heavy salt user, so using this organic marinade seasoning is enough for me. Okay guys, and our salmon is done. Here is a closer look. Came out perfect. Quick and easy, oven baked, bourbon glazed BBQ salmon. Look at this. Here is the final product. I decided to serve mine with a side of mashed potato and some steamed broccolis. Delicious bourbon glazed barbecue salmon. As you can see, this recipe was very easy to make. If you like this recipe and you like what you see, please remember to subscribe. Help support my channel and help me grow. And as always guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. Cooking made easy.